How to create an AutoSteel automatic. Once you've learned how to utilize the AutoSteel icon in the automatic panel, designing a one-touch automatic is very easy to do. Now, out of all the automatics we offer, this one in particular is usually best used directly from this icon because generally we have to choose a different steel type and a different elevation each time from drawing to drawing. Automatics are best used when you're going to repeat the same exact task over and over again. However, if you have a reason to design an automatic with this feature, we're going to teach you how to do it in this tutorial. The first thing we must do is go into the library icon on your PractiCAD ribbon. On the left hand side, we're going to go over to the automatic section. We're going to hit the little plus key and we're going to search for the AutoSteel section. We're going to click on the word AutoSteel, and then the green check is going to open up in the browser. We're going to hit the create a new item. PractiCAD is now going to ask us to select an icon. We're just going to pull an icon from our standard PractiCAD data. We're going to press open. And now PractiCAD is going to ask us to name the automatic. In this particular tutorial, we're going to name it PCAD Steel, and then we're going to hit enter so that PractiCAD accepts the name. Now all we need to do is pick the parameters just like we normally would under our AutoSteel icon. Here what we're going to do is say we want this automatic to be a W36 by 260. We always want it to hold by the top, and we're going to say the start elevation will be 10 foot and the end elevation will be 10 foot. As you can see here, because we have to give it different elevations, the only time we'd ever want to make an automatic out of this is if the elevations and the steel type were going to be the same quite often. Otherwise, once again, it's recommended to stick with the AutoSteel icon. Here we're going to simply save it. We're now going to drag the icon into our bin by holding with the left mouse and simply putting it into our bin. Then we're going to exit out. Once we've got it there, now to activate the automatic, all we'll need to do is highlight our layout lines on the drawing and simply come over here and click on the automatic PCAD Steel. And PractiCAD will automatically apply the automatic and all of the layout lines will be adjusted. That'll conclude the tutorial on how to design an AutoSteel automatic.